go wrong. Give me a second.
She opened the book. No.
I need you right now. Well, take a number.
Do I like?
Useless without me. What was that? Nothing, dear. You'll fall and chain. Forget you. Don't expect me to be here when you get back.
Oh my God, that's so hilarious.
It's over. Oh, it's been over for a long time.
Are you okay?
Yeah, totally. Sure thing, really. No. No, I'm not. It hurts so bad. I'll never find love again.
Sure you will.
You think so? But what am I going to do with these metro station tickets for tonight? I hate to see them go to waste.
Metro station.
You do? Do you have plans tonight?
No.
Well, it's great.
My boyfriend is gonna go crazy when I tell him.
I did not see that coming. Didn't see that coming either.
Look at me, Lady Hassington. I hail from Kathmandu. Would you please focus? The press conference is in 5 minutes. What am I gonna do? I know how to juggle. Want me to go somewhere? No. I might as well just face it. I'm not gonna be working here too much longer. Well, I like the sound of that.